Hey everyone, this is Peter from The Golden Gato, and today we're going to be looking at a really cool money-making method that I sort of put together from a few different ideas. This is something that's super easy, super simple, and just requires a few extra steps for you guys. So make sure you stay for the entire video because I have some secrets, some pointers, some strategies, so that you can take two different softwares and services and combine them and turn it into a full-fledged business where you can be making a bunch of money for just putting in a little bit of work. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that in just a quick second. But quickly before that, guys, if you want easy step-by-step videos showing exactly how to make money online and at home, be sure to subscribe to the Golden Gato YouTube channel. Alrighty guys, so let's get into this a little bit. What we're going to be working with is something called Fiverr, and we're going to take a unique approach to Fiverr. But just for those of you who don't really know what Fiverr is, we can read the Google description here. Fiverr is a global online marketplace offering tasks and services beginning at a cost of $5 per job performed, and it goes up from there. Basically, it's for people who are freelancers. And they essentially offer their services to people who go and buy their services. So $5 services, at least often it goes up to hundreds of dollars for a service, depending on whether you get the initial service or the premium service. But yeah, so it's a pretty simple idea. People do things for you online, whether it's SEO, whether it's marketing, whatever you want online, you can pretty much get on Fiverr.com. For example, they have graphics and design, they have digital marketing, writing and translation, business, tech, music, etc. And it's really fun stuff. And Fiverr is a great place to work. But what we're going to be looking at is a specific section of Fiverr, and we're going to be turning it into your own business basically. And that is videos. So I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to make a really cool type of video that you can very easily sell for a really high price on Fiverr. So what you're going to do is you're going to, I'm going to show you a quick example first. So this example is just going to be here, video animation. So we searched up video animation, and you see all these explainer videos here. It's like, I'll create a custom explainer video. See how expensive these are, $1,900. All of these, I'll create your video. I'll create a stunning handcrafted animated video. But I guess actually I should have been a little bit more specific. Whiteboard video animation. All right, so you see all these people selling whiteboard animations on Fiverr. Let's just look at this random person's because they have over 1,000 reviews and none of these other people do. So you can see the number of reviews right there. This person has 1,119 reviews. They have 3 orders currently in the queue, and they have 3 different packages. They have a standard package, they have a basic package, and they have a premium package. Okay, so let's check this out. The basic package is essentially first 150 word script with your voiceover, includes sound effects. I will provide a male or female voiceover and produce an awesome animation. Essentially, this has a few voiceover additional costs. So if you get a voiceover, it'll cost you essentially an extra 30 to 50 bucks. And yeah, that's pretty much how this works, and they have super good reviews. And this person has their own business. Think about this. Let's say they're averaging the standard $125 for a standard gig times the 1,119. It's going to be well over $100,000, guys. That's how much this person's made. So it's 125 times 1119, because that's how many orders they have. So that's basically $140,000 that this person has made simply by making these videos. So it's a really good deal for the people who make these videos. Now you might be asking, how can I go out there and make these videos myself? And that's a really great question, because if you look at these videos, whiteboard animation videos, Oh my gosh, my typing. It is pretty early in the morning. So whiteboard, and oh my goodness. We're gonna just do this a little bit more slowly. Animation video. We can just look at the examples here. This stuff does not look really easy to create kind of on your own by scratch. You know what I mean? People aren't going to actually go out there and write this on a true whiteboard. You need a different way to sort of expedite the process of creating these videos. You need the means of production here. Means of production is a super important term throughout history, throughout everything. You know, means of production is really important, and this is the means of production here. And it's the means of production cannot be you sitting down with a whiteboard and taking, you know, short shots here and there, creating yourself or creating a whiteboard animation yourself physically. What you need is whiteboard animation software, and the software that I'm going to be showing you guys is VideoScribe. So VideoScribe is the piece of whiteboard animation software that I use. It's right here. You can see where I'm pointing at my mouse. And sorry, I just like creating little bubbles around here. Woo. Anyway, so VideoScribe is a software for creating whiteboard animations automatically. It was launched in 2012 by blah, blah, blah. It has over 250,000 users, and I am one of those users. I'm a dedicated VideoScribe fan. I love VideoScribe. I totally recommend them. So they're pretty cheap. They don't cost much, and you can get a 7-day free trial where you can essentially explore it to your furthest extent that you want. And if you want VideoScribe, it is an insanely good investment because I can just show you guys how easy this is. I just opened up VideoScribe here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a title, and this is the title. You can adjust it, you can make it different colors. So we're making it here, and then let's add an image. Let's do this guy, this rando little dude, and we're gonna center it here. And watch this. It literally draws it for you. So it says this is the title. And it'll show its little dude and it'll draw him. And there's tons and tons of images, which I can show you guys in just a second, and it does all of the imaging and etc. for you. So if I wanted to add another image, I would just go to the images section. I would click it, I could search for something, I could also go to the library where you can also search for things. So let's just check this out a little bit. Let's go to business icons. So they have all of these cool business things. We can give this guy a little tie. Here we go. You can flip it around. I love how I'm just dressing this dude. Here we go. So now this guy has a tie. So now watch this. Now I can just play from this part and just watch it go and see what it does. So here's this little dude being drawn, and this is a really, really cool process. Look at this. He'll literally draw the tie and zoom in and draw the tie for you. So you guys can kind of see how this works, see how powerful this is. And, you know, if you can just create video animations for people, which literally takes like an hour maybe worth of your time to create a really good video animation. If you have to use a voiceover, then, you know, you'll need a microphone. But if you don't provide voiceover, you can be a little bit cheaper than other gigs. So, for example, this particular person on Fiverr is charging essentially $100 for a 150 word VideoScribe, which would take me 20 minutes to make. You know, this would make this gig right here would take me 20 minutes to make. And you could charge slightly less. Now, obviously, this person's incredible reviews, but when you're starting off, you want to be really cheap. Because, you know, you don't have a name in the game yet. So yeah, you just create little animations like this, and it's super, super easy stuff. You can add voiceovers, you can add the music that they provide, and they provide a ton of different music that you can check out yourself. And you can add charts. It's pretty insane. So yeah, that's pretty much that. These are all of your options in VideoScribe, and then you can just go back and save it, etc. I'm not going to necessarily save this at VideoScribe because there's a bunch of other cooler ones I could make. But VideoScribe, I think it's something like $100 per year to have VideoScribe. At least that's what I got it for. And yeah, so I'd certainly recommend going to videoscribe.co and checking it out and at least getting the free trial and seeing what you can do with it. And then going to Fiverr and seeing what you can do to sell these whiteboard animation videos. Because if you look here, these whiteboard animation videos really sell for a lot. I mean, this one starts at $5, but it's probably basically nothing. You know, this is another one, starts at 75, starts at 5. I would really start really cheap, because the cheaper you go, the more people are going to buy your videos, especially if you have a really good demonstration video on Fiverr. And once you have 20, 30 good reviews, you're going to be a decent seller and people will have more trust in you, especially if you have a lot of 5-star reviews. They'll be like, wow, I can't believe this gig was so cheap and such a good quality gig. And boom, suddenly you'll have a strong brand and you'll be able to sell way more from there. I'm not going to guarantee you're going to be like this person making $140,000 or whatever they're doing. You know, I'm not saying this person's making $140,000, but that is what we calculated if they had that many orders, and we just assumed the average of these two, which was the standard between the premium and the basic. So I just did some simple math there. It's not like complicated stuff. So yeah, I'm not going to guarantee all of you guys are going to be able to make $140,000, but what I am saying is that this is an incredible opportunity, and I certainly would not pass it up if I were you. So go ahead and check out VideoScribe and go ahead and check out Fiverr. Sign up for Fiverr here, join. I have an account, but I'm not logged in currently. Go ahead and join Fiverr and check out VideoScribe, get the free trial, and if you don't want it, you don't have to get it. It's all good. And yeah, it's a pretty much made for you business. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this, guys. Go ahead and get out there and start your own business, make some money online, because making money online is freaking awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much that, guys. I really hope you guys have a great day. Really hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you want the best content concerning how to make an online business, how to make money online, Golden Gato is the #1 place to be. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that little bell button, and that's that. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.